Differential extraction first described in 1985. Differential extraction is needed from a vaginal epithelial cells from victim and sperm cell from accused are mixed together, as in vaginal swab and washing in a sexual assault cases. Both types of cell present must be placed separately. Use is made on the fact that a sperm plasma membrane contains protein cross-linked by disulfide bond, making sperm membrane much more stiff. Sodium dodecyl sulfate SDS and proteinase K mixture is added first. It lyses vaginal epithelial cells but has no effect on sperm. Dithiotretiol DTT is added later. It breaks down a disulfide bond causing lysis of a sperm. So in vaginal epithelium sperm cells mixed ആണെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ both type of cell lie separately. So അതിന് sodium dodecyl SDS and proteinase K പിന്നെ ഡൈതയോ ടെട്രോടയോളാണ് ഡൈസൾഫൈഡ് ബോണ്ട് സ്പേമിലുള്ള ക്രോസോമിലുള്ള ഡൈസൾഫൈഡ് ബോണ്ട് ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. താങ്ക് യു.